Filter Views feature in Google Sheets allows you to create, save, and name multiple filters that can be shared directly with others. This is a great tool to use if you have only viewer access to a sheet and you wish to filter, if you want to filter data but not affect what others see, or if you want your data to stay sorted after using the filter. There are two different ways to access this feature depending on how your data is displayed in a sheet. If your data is displayed in a table, you can access this by selecting the Views button at the top of the table and choose Create Filter View. If you're not using a table for your data, you can still access filter views by highlighting all the data in your sheet, selecting Data, and then choose Create a Filter View. Once you activate this feature, you'll notice a mint green border around your data. Now, you can filter whichever columns you desire. In this case, I'm looking at test data for test applicants that my group is interviewing. As a quick note, none of the applicants or any data here is real. But let's say I wanted to filter to see only the people my colleague Rich is interviewing. I would filter the interviewer columns to see the information relevant only to Rich. Once I'm finished, I can select Save. Then I'll have to type in a name for the view, so I'll type Rich's Applicants. While I'm in this view, only I can see this filter, so anyone else accessing the file doesn't see this filtered information. If I want to exit this view, I can select the X button at the top right. If I'm using a table, and I want to access that saved filter view I just created, I can do so by clicking the Views button at the top of the table, and then I'll see the view that I previously saved to select. If I'm not using a table, and I want to access that filtered view I created, I can choose Data, Change View, and then I can select that filtered view. Once I'm in this view, I'll have an adjusted URL on my web page. If I copy and send this URL to someone else, when they open it, they'll see it in this filtered capacity. So I could send this view to Rich so that when he accesses the spreadsheet, he will immediately see the information only relevant to him. Thank you for watching. For more content on Google Sheets, please subscribe to our channel.